saving. In Maya, it's very important to save, but it is also important to know that there is a few things that have been added in Maya 2011. Now, if I go File, Save Scene As, for instance, and I have a desktop folder called Auto, and I'm going to go saving this in here. Under the Save Scene, I have this square box, and under it I have Incremental Save. Okay? So what will happen is, when I save the scene, let's say I make a change first. I go in here and extrude this part, and then I go File, Save Scene. Now, when I go over to that folder, it'll say Incremental Save, Auto, and then I'll have an increment behind it. Now, what's nice about this is I can see that this is today's date, and if I make another change to it, let's go in here and extrude it one more time and hit save. I now have the ability to see the increment, and it saved it as a different increment. In other words, I can go back in time and see the date and the time of this file, and now recover data that maybe was corrupt. Or let's say a person is working on a rig and your boss comes up to you and says, hey, I liked your rig a week ago. Well, there's a lot that you've probably changed on your rig in that time. So now you can go and look at the increment value and see what date a week ago it was and go recover your rig. That's the important thing about incremental saving. Now also, let's say I take incremental saving off and look at the next feature, which is now Maya 2011, and that's in their preferences, and there is File and Projects, and I have this. So this is autosave, and it'll allow you to just automatically save anywhere if you named folder. So what I could do now is name this folder something else, because I'm using the same folder, and you can't do that. You have to like make a new folder with nothing in it. Number of autosaves 10, and then I'll hit save. So in 1 minute time, it will go into this and automatically add something to the Maya Saves directory, just like that. And you notice it's in increments. Okay? Automatically incremental. That's what's nice about it. So that is saving within Maya and how to control it.